I've developed this new real estate marketing strategy. It's helping me go viral every day. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If we check out here, the last 48 hours alone, I've had a few videos with 37,000 views, 2,600 views, 1,400 views. This is happening in just one day. Now, I know what you're saying. That's not viral. I'm talking millions and millions. The difference between what I'm doing and like a TikTok video is these are going to people actually moving to my city. And in fact, talking with my business partner, Mr. Joe Rodriguez, he hit me up today saying that we've had over 12 calls, and one of them, they're ready to put a cash offer in. They wrote $2.4 million into contracts. These videos are the single greatest lead generating videos of all time, and I'm gonna show you these new strategies you're not gonna hear from anybody else. Now, I have done something to my YouTube channel that has really helped to accelerate it. As you can see, in just the last 28 days, we got 140,000 views. That's 83,000 more than my channel is typically getting, which that's a lot in itself. So we are up 175%. Now I'm gaining over 1,200 subs a month right now. That is incredible when you think about what I'm doing with a lead generating channel. This is all people moving to my city, all calling us to get help with buying a house. And this is not me simply dancing around in videos or doing something that gets a ton of engagement from real estate. This is actual client getting YouTube channels. Now, if we were to look at just the last year alone, you will notice that this channel really had flatlined. In fact, it started to die. And then right here, we really started to see an increase on views. This was strategy number one. And as you will notice, this is right at the end of May 2023. If we go into the last 90 days, which will show May of 2023, we will notice this increase right here. That is a 7x increase on daily views. And that's gonna be strategy two. Now, when you're getting this many views, there's one important part. That's what we're gonna discuss at the end, which is number three. I have to get these good videos clicked. So what am I talking about with good videos? Because everybody's shooting videos, but why are they not getting this many views? Here's why. First and foremost, we need to have good long videos. In real estate, we're typically told we need 30-second, 60-second videos. And as you will see here, I've got videos with average view durations of 6 minutes, 11 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. These videos are all anywhere from 10 to 15 to 30 minutes long. Now, looking at these videos, this was a video that I posted in April of 2023. So just about 3 to 4 months ago. This is when my strategy really started to change, but this was the video that changed everything. What we need to do is do a deeper dive into it. Now, what you'll notice is it's got 8,000 views in about 60 days. That's actually really good for a real estate YouTube channel, but for what I was going for, it wasn't. Now, this video is ranking very well, it's doing very well, but the number one thing that I wanna study and show you in this video is the retention graph. So here we have a typical retention graph. This thing is heading down. It's not what we need. We need one that actually keeps people's attention a lot longer, but you can always learn from these. The one thing that I noticed is in the whole video, I'm kind of losing people the whole way until right here. Right here, you can see that I'm below the graph and then I'm flatlined. So I don't really lose anybody during this whole, in fact, I actually, I gain attention, I retention gain people. So what I needed to do was learn what is it in that video. And if you click on it, what you're gonna notice,
works out really well.
We're actually going to tour and take people into this house. That is what people wanted to see, what they can get for 1.2 million in the Woodlands. So I said, aha, if that's what people actually want to see, then one of the next videos that I'm going to shoot and upload, I will start right there at the house. And as you can see, this video is only 45 days old or so, 49 days. So it has 2 less weeks of runtime and it's already at the same views. And as you can see, it's really starting to explode. Now you'll notice right out of the gate, I made a mess up, right? What did I say? We are about to go into the most insane floor plan house that I have seen in Houston, Texas. So we're about to go in this house. I learned that from the other video, but what I did was try to get cute. And we stopped from going inside the house and we went on the side of the house and we talked before going in. So I lost them, but guess what? They came right back. At this point, when we were gonna go into the house. So I learned lessons that they do want to see inside these incredible homes, although I am doing real estate vlogs, but this is what's going to keep their attention longer. Which brings me to step 2, which is leveraging those retention graphs to build even better videos. This is the one that I've had as of recently, and as you can see, in just 7 days, we have 70,000 views. We picked up 500 subs. This video is absolutely erupting. So I combined everything that we're learning in this video to get these maximum results. The other aspect of this that I want to show you is that this video has had 914,000 impressions in 7 days. So this is sometimes as many impressions as a YouTube channel gets in an entire 365-day calendar I'm getting in just 1 week, which makes it so imperative that you are going through these channels, you are learning from every single video that you shoot, and you are understanding these retention graphs. Now, most importantly, you gotta shoot way better videos to keep their attention. That's how you get more impressions, and that is how you end up getting way more clients. But your videos aren't gonna get clicked unless you make the most killer thumbnails. So strategy 3 is creating a thumbnail that forces your viewers to click. And I understand I am just scratching the surface on this. You're probably wondering, how am I really figuring this out? Because one of the bonus strategies that I'm gonna teach you is going through and eliminating a bunch of videos that are on your YouTube channel right now that are killing your channel. They're getting tons of impressions and absolutely 0 views. That is robbing you from your good videos actually having success, which is the main reason this channel exploded. And if you want the exact blueprint on this strategy right here, which is the next level YouTube strategy, I've created YouTube 2.0. There is nothing like it. I've helped thousands of realtors across the country do billions in real estate sales, all from my original YouTube masterclass. And now some of these channels are starting to dip and nosedive because we're not eliminating the waste. So you can check out YouTube 2.0 down in the pinned comment and the description below if you want to be the best YouTuber in your market, just like me. Strategy number 3 really came into these thumbnails. Now, as you'll notice, a lot of my older thumbnails were like this, which when there wasn't a lot of competition, there was just a few agents or no agents doing it, these were the most clickable thumbnails ever. They worked amazing. But as I started teaching more and more students, and there's 30, 40, 50 people with YouTube channels about living in Houston, Texas, I had to step it up a notch. And that is when I really started to change my thumbnails to showing an actual point in the video to where they go, wait a minute, Kingwood, Texas. Okay, huge keywords, right? Niche.com's new #1 suburb in Houston, but ... And then my thumbnail points to a house that says flooded 7 feet. I am telling a story that ties the title to the thumbnail, and my click-through rates when I release these videos sometimes are upwards of 22 to 24%. Now, when you look at some of my top performing videos that are getting 900,000 impressions in a week, you're gonna see that I had a click-through rate of 4%. It is impossible to be able to keep that click-through rate up when you're getting 1 million impressions. But I can show you proof and evidence that in the first day that I was getting 18, 19% click-through rates on that video. In fact, that video is working so well, that is why it's going viral. Now, the best part is this video is the one that went crazy in just 1 week. What did it do? Well, it took these videos, which were getting about 200 to 400 views a day, and now they're getting thousands and thousands. In fact, if we check out this video here, you're gonna notice it's like a vert ramp that even Tony Hawk would be scared to jump. That is what these videos can do. Studying your retention graph, removing the waste, absolutely making the best click-through rate thumbnails is what's going to have these videos dominating. Now, this video went up for 70,000 views in a week, and look, this video that I just released now, it's already outpacing it. So I am actually doing less videos, just 1 video a week, but I am doing better videos than my competition, and YouTube really likes that. That's why they rank and suggest my videos so that they can feed everybody advertisements at top dollar. Again, if you want YouTube 2.0, get into that pinned comment right there. It explains exactly how you can be the next level YouTube creator and increase your leads upwards of 10 to 15 a day. And also, just hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna be doing the most next level videos teaching you exactly how to do this.